Good morning, first grade friends. May 21st, 2021. Good morning, first graders. Today is Friday. Our schedule looks different today. I am gone and Mrs. Gustafson are gone. We made videos for reading class, number corner class, and small group this afternoon. Love, Miss Levang. Friends, this is similar to what we've had a couple other times. Because Miss Gustafson and I are gone, you will have a video for reading class, you will have a video for number corner, and you will have a video for small group this afternoon. So again, when you look at that schedule, morning meeting, here we are in our morning meeting video. Welcome, welcome. Again, there will be a video for number corner and a video for reading. You will still go to Miss Johnson for the live math lesson. Miss Gustafson's class goes at 11:30 a.m. and my class, you guys go at 10:45 a.m. to Miss Johnson, okay? Every other part of your day will be videos in Seesaw in today's activity. Okay, I am going to continue on with our chapter book, and we are on the very last chapter of Wish Tree. Alrighty, chapter 50. That night, many hours after the crowd had scattered, Samar slipped out the front door of the little blue house. Stefan, who'd been watching from his bedroom window, joined her moments later. They sat, silent, beneath my wish-laden boughs. The slightest breath of wind sent the index cards fluttering like huge moths. Moonlight was everywhere, it seemed, on the wishes, on my branches, on the down-headed owlets. In the upturned gazes of Stefan and Samar, how beautiful we all were, bathed by the soft and silver light. "Do you think your family will stay here?" Stefan asked, "after everything that's happened?" "I don't know," said Samar. "I hope so." The breeze kicked up. Cards chattered, ribbons danced, a scrap of notebook paper loosely tied with red yarn to my lowest branch broke free. Samar snatched it as it swooped past. She squinted at the scribbled writing. Then she stood, carefully, tying the paper back onto my branch. "What was the wish for?" Stefan asked. "An invisible robot that does homework." "Seems unlikely." "True." Samar leaned against the trunk and smiled. "But then, so does a talking tree." Chapter 51. If this were a fairy tale, I'd tell you that there was something magical about that wishing day. That the world changed and we all lived happily ever after. But this is real life. And real life, like a good garden, is messy. Some things have changed. Some things haven't. Still, optimistic that I am, I'm feeling hopeful about the future. Samar's parents decided not to move, at least not for a while. Stefan and Samar have become good friends. Sometimes they do their homework at the base of my trunk. Their parents still don't talk to one another. I'm not sure they ever will. The police never found the boy who carved "Leave" into my trunk. But a couple weeks ago, I saw him sauntering by. I pointed him out to Bongo. Let's just say she made a very large deposit that day. All my residents are back where they belong, safe in their hollow. They still argue sometimes, but they haven't yet eaten one another. Francesca applied to the city to make me a heritage tree. That means I'm protected forever. She's also on a first name basis with a local plumber who's learning to deal with my pushy roots. Lewis and Clark still haven't figured out how to walk on leashes. Bongo's made a new friend. His name is Harley Davidson. I suspect we may have some crow newbies in our future. As for me, I promised Bongo I will never be a Budinsky again. I told her that my meddling days are over, and yet here we are, you and I. What can I say? I'm more talkative than most trees. Still, if you find yourself standing near a particularly friendly-looking tree on a particularly lucky-feeling day, it can't hurt to listen up. Trees can't tell jokes, but we can certainly tell stories. The end. Friends, we do really hope that you enjoyed that story. Alrighty, again today, friends, we know you can do this. You have showed us all year. We are so very proud of you. So you've got this. Again, the only live class you are attending is Miss Johnson's. Okay, every other class has a video and it's right in Seesaw for you. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I will miss you and we will see you soon. Goodbye, friends.